Today I'm gonna teach y'all how to start a lawnmower. You see, Toro commercial powered by Honda G XV 160. It uses regular gas. Let me actually check it. We got gas. Yeah, we got gas. Sure has oil too. Has to have oil. Gonna check. Always gotta check your machines. My brother's, but pretty sure it got some. Doesn't look like it got a lot, but yeah, it got a little on it. Look. Don't mind my feet, but look. You wanna always get the handlebar and then pull that shit. So hold on. I don't know if y'all can see me from here. I don't know if y'all can, but look, my dog is here on the way. So look. No bad. I mean, no cap.